Bodhisattva, a person who is able to reach nirvana but delays doing so out of compassion in order to return and help others achieve enlightenment instead. Many people who have had a spiritually transformative experience come back with a deep sense of purpose, an intuitive, ever-present awareness that there's a reason why they're here and why they've returned. Many aren't 100% sure why, but they understand and embrace that they're here to empower, uplift, and inspire the rest of us to live more freely and fully in the service of our own unique gifts. After talking about near-death experiences with literally hundreds of people across our platform over the last few years, we decided what better way to explore the magic, the mystery, and the deep power and profundity of the spiritually transformative experience than through the unique lens of the Bodhisattva, the person who has touched or tasted enlightenment, but who has chosen to come back to return and help the rest of us. What if all of these incredible experiences are really meant to light a lamp and to guide us to live more meaningful lives, lives that shine with more confidence, connection, compassion, purpose, presence, and peace? Our mission is to create a storytelling community and a course community that empowers ordinary people to share their extraordinary experiences that infuse our lives with magic, mystery, and meaning. We truly hope you'll join us for this next really exciting adventure on our platform. Our mantra has always been, teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. And I really believe that this next journey, this next adventure is going to be the most transformative yet, as we are super excited to be sharing some really extraordinary stories from some self-described ordinary people. People I think are extraordinary as well, but they will tell you they're just ordinary people who've had an extraordinary experience that has totally transformed the way they see themselves, the world, and really all of us as well. Alone we can change a neighborhood. Together we can change the world. I really hope you'll join us. If you have a story or you'd like to share a story with us, leave us a comment in the community if you're reading this or listening to this there, or else reach out to me directly via email hi@mindfulmarketplace.com or say hi on Twitter @Ian Hollander. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see you on the other side. Thanks.